Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best whiteboard wall is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your home or office. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, teaching a lesson, or simply jotting down notes, a whiteboard wall offers a dynamic and collaborative space. In this video, we'll dive into the world of whiteboard walls, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your needs. Number 5. VIZ-PRO 36 by 24 inches Magnetic Dry Erase Board. This magnetic whiteboard offers a smooth and durable writing surface. It's easy to wipe clean with any dry erase markers, providing a seamless writing experience. The board features a specially lacquered surface and a scratch-resistant silver aluminum frame. It includes ABS plastic corners and comes with fixing kits and a detachable marker tray. You can install this whiteboard either horizontally or vertically to fit your space. Its classic design makes it a perfect addition to any environment. It's ideal for various settings, including home, school, and office. Use it for play, learning, presentations, or simply jotting down notes without wasting paper. If you have any questions about the VIZ-PRO whiteboard, feel free to contact us via email. We are here to help you solve any problems you may encounter. What we like. This whiteboard offers a smooth and durable writing surface, making it a joy to use. Its versatile installation allows you to customize the board's orientation. If you're looking for a whiteboard that fits seamlessly into any space and offers a great writing experience, you should consider this one. What people say. The whiteboard is easy to install. The whiteboard is a great size for my office. The whiteboard is easy to clean. Number 4. VIZ-PRO 48 by 36 inch Magnetic Whiteboard. This magnetic whiteboard offers a smooth and durable writing surface. It's easy to dry wipe with any dry erase markers, providing a seamless writing experience. The board features a specially lacquered surface and a scratch-resistant silver aluminum frame. It includes ABS plastic corners and comes with fixing kits and a detachable marker tray. You can install this whiteboard either horizontally or vertically to fit your space. Its classic design makes it a perfect addition to any environment. It's suitable for home, school, or office use. It's perfect for various activities like presentations, learning, or even making a grocery list, eliminating paper waste. Remember to remove the clear plastic film before using it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you solve any problems. What we like. This whiteboard provides a smooth writing experience and is built with premium quality materials. The versatile installation allows for flexible placement. If you need a reliable and high-quality whiteboard for frequent use, this is a great choice. What people say. I love this whiteboard, it is perfect for my needs. The whiteboard is easy to install and the perfect size for my office. The whiteboard is well made and the surface is smooth and easy to write on. Number 3. Mr. Pen 14 by 11 Dry Erase Board. This is a 14 by 11 dry erase board from Mr. Pen. It comes with a black dry erase marker. It's perfect for students and anyone needing a compact writing surface. The board features an easy mounting system. No drilling is required, and it can be easily attached to clean surfaces. This makes it very convenient to set up. It has a premium magnetic steel dry erase surface. This allows you to easily write, erase, and reuse the board. It's a great tool for planning and drawing. This white frame dry erase board is compact and easy to use. It's suitable for various purposes, such as planning, scheduling, and drawing. It's a great tool for both home and office. The one-sided dry erase board is environmentally friendly. You can write, wipe it off, and reuse it without any waste. It's a sustainable way to learn and create. This product is suitable for children aged 3 and up. It's a safe and engaging tool for young learners to explore their creativity. What we like. This mini whiteboard is compact and easy to mount, perfect for small spaces. It's also an environmentally friendly option. If you need a small, portable whiteboard for quick notes or reminders, this is a great option for you. What people say. The surface is smooth and erases cleanly without leaving stains, and the included marker works great. The 14 inch by 11 inch size is just right, not too big or too small. It fits perfectly on a desk, can be propped up against a wall, or even used on your lap. It's also lightweight, making it easy to carry around the house or take on the go. The included black dry erase marker writes smoothly with bold, clear lines. The surface is high quality and erases easily without leaving behind ghosting or smudges. Number 2. VIZ-PRO 36 by 24 inches Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard. This magnetic whiteboard comes with a 35.4 by 23.6 inch frame. It includes fixing kits and a pen tray. It's everything you need to get started. The board features a smooth, dry erase surface. It has an anti-scratch black aluminum frame and durable ABS plastic corners. The pen tray is also detachable. This whiteboard is great for home, school, or the office. It's perfect for learning, presentations, or even making a grocery list. Its classic design will fit in anywhere. You can mount it horizontally or vertically. This allows you to customize the board to fit your space and needs. It's easy to set up. Remember to remove the clear plastic film before use. If you have any questions, please contact us via email. We are here to help you with it. What we like. This whiteboard features a smooth, easily wipeable surface and a stylish anti-scratch black frame. It's designed for multiple uses, making it versatile for any setting. If you like a whiteboard that combines functionality with a sleek design, you should consider this one. What people say. The whiteboard is easy to install. The whiteboard is a great size for my office. The whiteboard is easy to clean. Number 1. VIZ-PRO's 24 by 36 White Blast Dry Erase Board. This sleek board helps you set your ideas free and boost your productivity. It adds a contemporary touch to any office, classroom, or home decor. This high-quality board is designed to withstand daily use. The tempered, shatterproof glass construction and sleek silver grommets guarantee safety and durability. It even includes a marker and tray. You can hang this board effortlessly with the included hardware and instructions. It mounts both vertically and horizontally. Less time on installation means more time for your creativity. Designed to resist stains and ghosting, this premium ghost-proof surface ensures a clean slate every time you write or erase. Unleash your creativity without limitations with it. VIZ-PRO is a company of designers and innovators. They are passionate about providing well-designed products that will help you feel inspired. What we like. This glass dry erase board boasts a stain-free surface and a sleek, modern design. It's easy to mount, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a stylish and easy-to-maintain whiteboard for your office or home, you should consider it. What people say. I am very happy with this whiteboard. It is exactly what I was looking for. The whiteboard is easy to install and the perfect size for my office. The surface is smooth and easy to write on and erase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.